In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a HubSpot website, a step-by-step tutorial for beginners in 2025. Whether you're new to website building or just new to HubSpot, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and type in the URL www.hubspot.com. Once you're there, you're greeted by the HubSpot homepage, a hub of information with tons of resources right at your fingertips. But let's not get distracted, we're here to create a website. At the top right corner of the page, you will see the Login button. Click on that. Once logged in, you will be directed to your HubSpot home base. This is your main dashboard where you have access to all the tools and functionalities that HubSpot offers. Our next move is quite simple. We need to make our way to the Content section. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a tab labeled Content. Go ahead and click on it. Good job, you're on the right track. Now within the Content section, you want to direct your attention to website pages. This is where the magic happens as far as website creation is concerned. Give that option a click and let's head over to the page creation site. On this next interface, you'll notice a Create button. This is your launchpad for building a new page. Click Create and you're now stepping into the creative part of the journey. The first decision you'll need to make when creating a new page is selecting a template. Templates are essentially pre-designed layouts that you can customize to fit your specific needs and style preferences. This is where your unique ideas for the website start to take shape. Click on Select Template, browse through the available options, and choose the one you feel best suits your vision. Great! Once you've selected your template, spend some time tailoring it to your liking. Add in your text, your images, anything that reflects your message or business. Once you're satisfied, it's very important not to forget to save your work. At the top right corner of the screen, there should be a Save button. Clicking this ensures all your edits and updates are kept secure, and there you have it, your HubSpot website in just a few simple steps. Customize further as you get more familiar with the platform, and don't hesitate to explore the wealth of tools HubSpot provides. Creating a website might seem intimidating at first, but with practice and exploration, it quickly turns into an exciting project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, feel free to explore other videos for more tips on website building. Thanks for watching, and happy website creating.